5:30 in the morning, time on this June the 28th, 2013, on a Friday morning. Time now for the weather magician with PJ Wiggins. Top morning report. Friday morning, June 28th, 2013. Good morning to you all on this lovely Friday morning. Our current conditions at 5:30 a.m. in Norton, Massachusetts. The temperature is 72 degrees with a humidity 94%. Wind speed south for about 5 miles per hour. Barometer 29.62 inches. 2.70 degrees and visibility of 5 miles.
Was there as police went through that house. We'll check in with him.
Okay, we're going to take a look at our radar scope. It shows up wide swath of showers of thunderstorms search from central and upstate New York, stretching into northern Vermont, New Hampshire, and into Maine.
Heavy rain comes through.
And another line of showers of thunderstorms stretching off the Rhode Island coast, stretching off the Atlantic coast, stretching from Rhode Island coast all the way out to the North Carolina and the South Carolina and Georgia and Florida coast.
In some areas.
And the line of showers stretching from eastern Maine, stretching into Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and into Preston, Rhode Island. And a couple of patch of showers from western New York near Buffalo, stretching into northern Ontario.
Starting to pop up
And a couple of line of showers in Michigan. And a couple of line of showers in central Ohio and in central Virginia, southwest Pennsylvania, near Pittsburgh.
And notice how the showers are filling back in here on Futurecast through the morning.
And a couple of rain showers in Missouri, and it's a couple of rain showers in Texas. And a couple of rain showers in northeast New Mexico and southeast New Mexico.
Keep an umbrella with you as you head out the door. Temperatures right now vary from.
And a couple of blobs of showers in Saskatchewan, and a couple of another blobs of showers in Manitoba, stretching in Alberta, and a couple of rain showers in southern Montana, stretching into central Wyoming. All right.
And that leads to hit or miss thunderstorms and downpours during the afternoon. We'll talk about your weekend. After all, it is Friday morning.
Flood watch.
Couple minutes, but right now let's get
Heavy rain is possible for this afternoon as a warm front will move northward through southern New England today, setting up warm and humid air mass over the region. Showers and thunderstorms expected to develop today. Combined with this air mass will produce very heavy rainfall across the watch area.
So the accident.
Flash flood watch continues for a portion of northern Connecticut and all Rhode Island except for Block Island and most of Massachusetts except for the Cape Islands and Berkshire County. Throughout this afternoon, showers and thunderstorms will develop this afternoon in a very warm and humid air mass. Therefore, the potential still exists for heavy rainfall as localized rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour may occur.
93 in Woburn.
Heavy rainfall could lead to a localized urban and poor drainage flooding, particularly in normal successful locations. Faster spotted streams and rivers may also spill over the banks. As a flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding, and flash flood is a very dangerous situation as you should monitor later broadcasts will be prepared to take action flash flooding when later occurs.
Today's going to find John Atwater, who's been following this story since the beginning. John, these were Boston police officers now.
And days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday, there will be a continued threat of thunderstorms this weekend into the first half of next week. The strongest storms should occur mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. The main concern will be for high rain, heavy rain, and localized flooding. A secondary concern will be for a few strong severe thunderstorms produces strong wind gusts at time and possibly hail. Location of greatest risk remains uncertain, like it's in the cards. Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. For today, scattered showers and thunderstorms will build after 3 p.m. Some of the storms produce heavy rain. Patch of fog before 11 a.m. Otherwise, most clouds with a high of 39 degrees. South wind about 11 and 14 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 24 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 50%. New rainfall amounts between a 10th and a quarter of an inch, except higher amounts possible thunderstorms. For the night, scattered showers and thunderstorms.
-375. Police say he also goes by the names Bo or Fish.
Some of the storms can produce heavy rain. Patch of fog after 9 p.m. Otherwise, most skies with a low at 66 degrees. Southwind about 9 to 13 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. New rainfall amounts between a 10th and a quarter of an inch, except higher amounts possible thunderstorms. Saturday, showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm. Some of the storms produce heavy rain. Mostly skies with a high of 82 degrees. Southwind about 9 to 11 miles per hour. With gusts as high as 21 miles per hour.
By a hit and run driver, 16-year-old Corinne Ben.
Chance of precipitation 60%. New rainfall amounts between a 10th and a quarter of an inch, except higher amounts possible thunderstorms. For Saturday night, a chance of showers with thunderstorms also possible after 10 p.m. Patchy fog after 10 p.m. Otherwise, most of the skies will low at 66 degrees. Southwind about 68 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 50%. New rainfall amounts between the 10th and a quarter inch, except higher amounts possible thunderstorms. For Sunday, a chance of showers before 10 a.m. and a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Showers likely possibly a thunderstorm after 11 a.m. Patchy fog before 10 a.m. Otherwise, most of the skies will high to 81 degrees. Southwind about 7 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. And new rainfall amounts between the 3/4 to half an inch possible. Sunday night at chance of showers and thunderstorms. Then showers likely possibly a thunderstorm after 2 a.m. on bodies. Chief up for 9 p.m. and 11 p.m. on bodies. Skies with a low of 68 degrees and a chance of precipitation of 60%. New rainfall mass between 1/4 to half an inch possible. For Monday, showers likely possibly a thunderstorm. Cloudy with a high near 82 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Monday night, showers likely possibly a thunderstorm. Cloudy with a low of 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 60%.
Blockbuster trade by the Celtics. Pierce and Garnett are history, and the eye openers touch.
Tuesday,
At the Garden this morning,
a chance of showers. Cloudy with a high near 83 degrees. Chance of precipitation 15%.
This is huge.
Tuesday night, a chance of showers. Cloudy with a low of 66 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Wednesday, a chance of showers at most of Glasgow with a high near 87 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%.
We probably
Wednesday night, a chance of showers. Most of Glasgow with a low of 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. And for Independence Day, it's chance of showers. Most of Glasgow with a high near 88 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Peters, what a phrase of the day. Another chance of showers of thunderstorms this afternoon. This is PJ Winston. Have a good day with a good positive attitude. Here.
Pierce, Kevin Garnett, and